Today I'm changing my blinker light and my cabin air filter for my 2006 Honda Odyssey. Two super simple changes. The plug for the blinker is down here. There's three different ones. We're getting the bottom one, and it twists and pulls. There's the light. Normally I would just do this inside the car, but to show you, it just pulls out. When you're putting the new light in, don't touch the bulb. Use a tissue or gloves or something. Otherwise the oils from your fingers will make the bulb last not as long. Bulb. Clicks in. Back in the hole and twist it back clockwise. That's it. And pull aside. Okay, this is the cabin air filter. Okay. It's behind the glove box here. To get the glove box out, there's a tab here, an identical one back there, and then a different tabby thing here. This has two tabs on the outside. I'm going to push down and pop it out on the other side. Got to lift it a little bit. Comes out like this.
Mommy,
same thing over here.
Get this back in.
Push the tab down.
Push the tab? What tab?
This tab over here, Eddie.
Get this back in?
No, not that.
Then how do you get it back in?
Oh, you pull it all the way up. I'm going to do this first.
I'm trying to pull this all the way up, Mama. That's not working.
Pulls down.
Mama.
And that unhooks. That didn't really give me more space.
Mommy, how do you put this back? Mommy, how do you put this back?
I'll show you in a minute, Eddie.
I don't want this on.
There.
Mommy, I want to untie this.
Okay. So that's off, that's off. Oop, I'm just going to fall right out. Okay, and this comes down. Ugh.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. This here, tabs on the side, pull it out. Ugh. There's my old filter.
Ew.
Yeah, that's gross, huh? Yep. So that comes out. And put the new filter in.
How does it?
Fits right in there.
So when this will get really old, right? Then how yucky
Now
would
wait a
it?
second, there's an arrow. Arrow down. Okay. Okay.
I was drumming it, boo.
You're going to drum it into place. All right, here, can you put it back in for me?
Are you getting a new car or something?
It's a new air filter. All right. Okay, see where it fits in?
Yeah.
Okay. Fit it in like a puzzle. Just push it all the way in. Is that all the way in? Well.
Now how is this? How did you? Is this how you get
Clips
it
right back in.
unopened?
Nope, that's a different glove box.
Wait, so you have two of them?
Yeah.
I want to open it.
This one's a little one. It has our
What?
oil change information and our solar eclipse glasses.
Ow!
Ooh, 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 ooh. It's not supposed to get fingers in it. Alright, now we put this up.
Try not to get fingers in it.
Okay. I'll put that back up.
Ooh!
See this? It's like a puzzle. When you do a puzzle, you gotta put that back in.
Ow, 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 ow. Ooh, what does this do? Fan? 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 Fan?
Okay.
Fan opener.
Same thing on this side. This one has to go in this hole. And then we gotta move it back a little bit.
Fan?
There we go.
I'm tired. I don't want to be right here.
There. Ready? Look, we did it. We put our things back in.
You can't see. You can't.
All right, close it up, and then we're done.
Get up there. You wacky water filter.
Cabin air filter.
Your wacky cabin air filter. Wacky.
All right. Say thanks for watching.
Thank you. Hey, I wanted to put that one. Whee.
Awesome. High five.
Car videos.